Hi everyone, this is another example on how to solve exponential equation. So, what if ganito naman yung given natin, parehong fraction. So, same pa rin yung goal natin, dapat make the bases equal. Okay? So, dapat maging 2 over 5 din to. So, just copy 2 over 5 raised to x minus 2. So, 2 over 5 raised to x minus 2. Ang goal natin dito guys, dapat make the bases equal. Okay? So, 25 over 4, express natin in exponential form. So, we all know that yung 25 over 4 ay pwede natin ma-express into exponential form, right? So, 25, that is equal to 5 squared. And then, 4 ay pwedeng 2 squared. Okay? So, 5 over 2, yung 5 squared over 2 squared, pwede natin i-express sa 5 over 2 squared. Okay? So, eto guys ay magiging 5 over 2 squared. So, 5 over 2 squared. Of course, do not forget, times 3x. Okay? So, hindi pa rin sila equal. So, what do we do ay, gawin natin equal sila. So, bring down 2 over 5 raised to x minus 2. And then, yung 5 over 2, pwede nating interchange yan or get the reciprocal, magiging 2 over 5 raised to negative 1, right? Okay. And then 2 times 3x ay 6x. So, times 6x. Nakuha? Okay. Yung 5 over 2 magiging 2 over 5. Get the reciprocal magiging raised to negative 1. Okay? So, kapag ito ay in-evaluate natin, magiging 5 over 2. Actually, ito, get the reciprocal, no? Okay. So, negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. So, this becomes negative 6x. So, equal na sila. Equate natin yung exponent. So, x minus 2 equals negative 6x. Okay? And then, combining like terms. So, x, negative 6x, ilipat ko, magiging positive 6x equals, si negative 2, ilipat ko, magiging positive 2. And then, x plus 6x becomes 7x equals 2. Solve for x tayo. So, divide all terms by 7 by the division property of equality. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay kakancel out natin to. So, we left by x is equal to 2 over 7. So, sabi ko sa previous video natin, hindi naman palaging whole number magiging sagot. Pwede ring negative, pwedeng positive, pwedeng fraction, okay, or decimal. So, ang goal naman natin dito guys ay i-check natin kung tama ba yung nakuha nating sagot na 2 over 7. Okay, checking tayo. So, to check, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng x, which is 2 over 7 in place of x. So, copy muna natin yung original equation, 2 over 5 close raised to x minus 2 equals 25 over 4 close raised to 3x. So, question mark muna siya. Bring down 2 over 5. And then, yung x natin dito guys ay 2 over 7. So, 2 over 7 minus 2. Nasundan ba ako? Okay, equals. And then, etong 25 over 4, bring down ko muna. Or copy lang. And then 3 times 2 over 7. Okay, kasi x equals 2 over 7. Lahat ng x variable gawin natin 2 over 7. Okay? So, 2 over 7 minus 2. The answer here is negative 12 over 7. Okay? So, this becomes 2 over 5 raised to negative 12 over 7. And then, simplify ko to. 25 over 4. 3 times 2 ay equals 6 over 7. It's not yet done. So, dapat mag-equal sila, no? Okay, copy ko ulit. 2 over 5 close. Raised to negative 12 over 7. Itong 25 over 4, magiging 5 over 2 squared. Or getting the reciprocal, magiging 2 over 5 raised to negative 2, right? And then times 6 over 7. So, copy 2 over 5 close raised to negative 12 over 7. So, ito, simplify natin. Bring down 2 over 5. Negative 2 times 6, that is negative 12 over 7. So, are they equal? Yes. So, meaning, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, kindly answer. Let's say, 1/2 raised to x minus 4 equals, let's say, 4. Comment your answer. Kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.